how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. Go ahead and open up your Pinterest app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a search button. Tap on that. Once you're in the search section, tap on the search bar at the top. Type in what you're looking for, like anime video or chocolate cake recipes. When you see the video you want to download, just tap on it to open it up. In the corner of the video, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those. One of the options that pop up will be copy link. Tap on that, and the link to the video will be copied to your clipboard. Now, leave the Pinterest app and open up your web browser. In the search bar of your browser, type in Pinterest Video Downloader and hit enter. You'll see a bunch of websites that offer this service. Just pick the first one that comes up. On the website, there'll be a space where you can paste the link you copied earlier. Tap on that space and paste the link there. Finally, look for the download button on the website and tap on it. Your video will start downloading. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to easily download Pinterest videos to your phone's gallery. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.